This is the brand new 25k funded account from 5 percenters, and the 90% of the trading traders or trading space will lie you about force trade. No, I will not force trade on this account. I will just make it very slow progress and growth. So I'm breaking down the exact A++ setup that helped me pass the first phase, and the second phase is currently on, and 80% win rate is there, and you can see the statistics. It's all transparent. Or सबसे important, why off the charts discipline is most important to maintain 80% win rate, or C 67% win rate, 51 ट्रेड्स एंड 51 ट्रेड्स बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने बहुत टाइम से ग्रो कर रहा हूँ और मैं एक ट्रेड में स्मॉल क्वांटिटी 3 से 4 पंचअप कर देता हूँ. इसलिए मेन थिंग टू मेंटेन द अकाउंट लॉन्ग टर्म इज द डिसिप्लिन एंड कंसिस्टेंसी ऑफ द प्रॉफिट्स. And the thing that helped me to maintain this account is, first thing, I do not trade any news. I do not never ever trade any news. It is allowed to take news trade, but 2 minutes before and 2 minutes after the news is not allowed to trade. They will breach your account. So my risk management is very simple. I take only one trade or 2 trades a day, max to max 2 trades a day, and I will risk 0.7% of my account. And everybody will think, why 0.7? Because let me show you the 1%. If I risk 1% of my account na, I in my psychology it's $250. It's too much. If I lose 2 or 3 trades, I am down like hell. But if I use 0.7% risk, it's just $170, and it's nothing to me in my psychology. Now let's start with the main concept. What is the A++ setup for me, and what is the A++ hashtag prop safe setup? First thing I want to show you guys, what is an SMT divergence in the market. Let's dive in the chart. This chart is NAS and this is S&P. As you can see, NAS, as you can see, in 30 May 5:30 a.m. mark this candle here, and as you can see, the same timing, 30 May 5:30 a.m. Now look at this. This is not just random thing happen in the market. This is not a random thing. The first step is to spot an SMT divergence. If there is, this increases my bias and clears my bias. What is the bias of the day? As soon as this candle, 1 hour candle closes, 80% to 80% sure that the price is going to go up to take these higher liquidities, and the first target, initial target, is these higher liquidities. The S&P has swept this low, means that these traded positions are liquidated. But as you can see here, there is no swap under these low, which means the NAS is resisting to go under this low, which means the market is bullish. The market trend has changed here in smaller time frame, but the market trend doesn't change here in higher time frame plus in smaller time frame. So this means that we want to go upwards, we want to push upwards to these highs. Initial target is these highs. From here I am going to select my entries. In 15 minutes, what we can see a V-shaped recovery. Just like this. It's a V-shaped recovery. It's a very good sign for the entry in the markets. And as we can see here, the 15 minute itself has an entry, but we will move down to lower time frames. For beginners, this entry is very good. As you can see, this is the imbalance the market has created. Market retraced to that imbalance. As you can see, 8:30 p.m. and it is an micro SMT. 8:30 p.m. As you can see, 8:30 p.m. candle never swept under, but as you can see, this 8:30 p.m. candle has swept all these low resistance liquidity, and this ensures that our trade is an A++ setup. We will enter the 50% of the range, 2 candle wick SL, and we will target these highs as 1:2. This is the best and mind blowing setup, if we have an entry in smaller time frame or not. This, you don't have to XYZ Bollinger. See, the charts are so clean. This clean chart shows that you are on the right path. There's no indicator. Just see the London and Asian session liquidity. As you can see, this was the New York session, and this is the London session. London session high was the target. The price has swept all the London session low, and the S&P has swept the low, London session low, but as NAS has not swept. So that's why we are trading in NAS, because it is a stronger pair. So we will target the London session high. This thing you have to keep in mind, and just like that you have the entry. But if you want high risk to reward or a good entry, then we will go to the smaller time frame from here. So we are now down to 1 minute time frame, and let's see what is happening in the 1 minute time frame. The price never swept these lows in S&P. So the S&P is now a leading and a strong pair for buys. Why? Because the price has swept in the NAS and didn't swept then S&P. Then we will shift in smaller time frame. Then we will shift our focus to, now let's see the entry in S&P. It is just screaming. What is the setup? Bearish candle, not swept the liquidity, and the bullish candle with a V-shaped recovery and with the inverse imbalance. This forms an inverse imbalance. And then in this inverse imbalance, we got an area of inefficient price, which is this. When these two things overlap, guys, I am telling you, just take the trade blindly. If it is a loss, it is a very good loss. So we will enter the 50% of this imbalance, or in the entry of this imbalance around here, and we will make our SL the low, which is S&P didn't sweep this low and NAS has swept this low. Because if this SMT fails, then the market is eventually going down, or I'm not in a mood to trade in that conditions. So my SL is around here. Many people say 2 candles low SL. No, this is very conservative SL. We will put the SMT SL, and then we will target for 1:2, 1:3. 1:3 is an easiest target here, and you can see the rest was history. If we have targeted the London low highs, which are these highs, it's 1:5, almost 1:5. So this is the trading model that made me pass my 25k first phase, and now I'm currently doing first phase, and I know I will eventually pass my second phase as well. So this trading model is the best trading model currently in these type of market situations, and it is very much perform safe. If you will risk 0.7% here, because if you will lose 4 trades in a row, it's just 2.4%, or it's not even 3% loss. If you lost consistently 4 trades a day or 4 trades a week, so it is very good strategy. So the go-to path for you guys is very simple. You have to focus now on only 2 things. First is risk management, and the second thing is the V-shaped recovery, inverse imbalance, SMT plus IFVG entries setups that I have showed you today, and higher time frame bias, daily bias, and what are the high probable liquidity to market to grab at that time. So these are something that you should be following to pass your funded account. And the main thing, which is the capital preservation, the capital conservation. Risk 0.7% consistently over the period of time, and I guarantee you will pass the funded account. It is not that much of a big deal if you follow your risk management and stay disciplined and consistently. Any strategy will get you to where you want to be in life, and I have showed you the best strategy for today's market, for nowadays market to work with. I have taken this entry and I have lost. Then it is not a negative day, it is a green day. You believe it is mark it as a green day. Take a calendar and mark it as a green day. And if you have made money just buying and selling some random shit, then it is a losing day. Mark that day as a losing day, guys. If you will do these kind of things, I guarantee you, you will be profitable. You will pass that funded account. You are what the market reflects. The profit you made are you. The loss you made is you. The market is just like a mirror. It's showing what are you. You don't have patience, you will lose in the market. You don't have discipline, you will lose in the market. You don't have consistency, you will lose in the market. You will lose in the market. That's the game of trading. So from now on, just focus on you and one strategy, and you will be profitable and you will pass that funded account. So bye bye guys, thank you for watching, and you can join my Discord channel. The link is in description. It is a very valuable channel. You can ask anything and I will post every day, buy sell, what I have taken after the market hours. And there is a private community also. If you want to join, go and check out my Discord community and message me, I want to learn, so I will just join you to the private community. So thank you guys. Do not forget to join my Discord channel. It is a very valuable channel. So bye bye.